Welcome everyone to another brand new video. Today in this video I am going to camera comparison iPhone versus DSLR. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. iPhone 12 Pro Max come with quad camera setup, 12 megapixel main lens and 26mm wide. On the other hand, this is Canon 80D and the camera come with 24.2 megapixel and I am using 18 to 135mm zoom lens. Still 2021 iPhone 12 Pro Max is the best camera smartphone. So let's start the compare. One minute camera comparison video editing really so hard, so please support me to subscribe, and camera comparison video tutorial coming very soon. So let's move on the main video. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you next time with another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.